Question number 9. At a point on Earth's surface, the angle of dip. Angle of dip means the horizontal. This is the horizontal, suppose, and where is the net magnetic field? Suppose it's the horizontal and your net magnetic field is like this. So this is called angle of dip. We measure angle of dip from horizontal, right? This is the horizontal, so we measure from here. Maybe if magnetic field line is like this, then we measure from horizontal again like this, right? And you take in same way like we take anti-clockwise measurement is positive, clockwise measurement is negative, right? Angle measurement. So based on this we can crack this question very easily. So first thing, for extra knowledge, you must understand, if your angle of dip is positive, then the point is definitely in northern hemisphere, and if your angle of dip is negative, then that is in southern hemisphere. Let's understand, then I will read the question again. Suppose this is our Earth and this is the magnetic field line, right? Now this is the horizontal for this position. In same way, this is the horizontal which is parallel to this. So you can see at this point your magnetic field is downward. So from this horizontal, if you measure the angle, you are actually measuring anti-clockwise. So this angle will be positive. That's why in other hemisphere angle is positive. That is delta, or you can say del, plus 25 degree. And a point B on the Earth's surface, the angle of dip AOD I have written here is del again, but that is minus 25 degree. We can interpret that 4 options are there. Which option is correct? So point A is located northern hemisphere and point B is located in southern hemisphere. A and B both are in southern hemisphere, or A and B both are in northern hemisphere, or A is in southern and B is in northern hemisphere. So we have to select one. So very easy idea is, if your angle of dip is positive, it means that point is located in northern hemisphere. If that is negative, it means that is in southern hemisphere, right? So point A is in northern hemisphere because their angle of dip is positive, and point B is in southern hemisphere, right? So in lectures I have explained very well. So you can also purchase my lecture series from my website in very cheap for physics, and you can discuss these things there.